Hey guys, just inviting you in here on YouTube to watch me tune a few unisons on this piano at MTSU. This is in Recording Studio A. This is the Actuner and the Shark tuning hammer. All right, so yeah, this is the Shark tuning hammer and the Accutuner, and I'm just going through some unison tuning just to show you, what I'm doing. I'm not explaining every little single detail. If you want to know all these details and join us, I'll talk through a lot more of this in our monthly webinars and things like that. So if you're trying to learn to tune clean unisons or trying to get faster at tuning or better at tuning, join us over there, Apex Piano.